Wait a minute.
Someone says electric is better than engines.
Would you rather drive an electric vehicle or petrol?
What? What? What?
Would you rather drive an electric vehicle or petrol?
When I'm driving a car, I should feel like I'm driving the car. The car is not driving me, but I'm the one who is driving the car. There's a difference, there's a connection. That's why people who drive manual cars tend to seem much more happier with their car as compared to people who are driving autos. And people who are driving EVs are emotionless.
What are we driving?
I have a Lamborghini. I have a Lambo.
Bad boy, bad boy, bad boy.